Alright, y'all. We just got off Mr. Freeze. If y'all can hear me, we just got off Mr. Freeze. You know that turn, get your wig blown back? Baby. That damn picture of me, my wig was literally all the way back. Not my, it didn't move, but the hair. Oh. Alright, I gotta do my thing, y'all. See y'all later. Alright, y'all, we just got off the, what is this? We just got off the Riddler.
4, 3, 2.
And then they smart to count down, make it seem like you got here.
Heads back, arms up.
Thank you. I'm sorry, Sturgis. We just got off the Riddler. It was so fun. A ride never scares me. But yeah, we're having fun, guys. We're having so much fun. Shout out to Boho for boldly holding down my wig. So now we're about to go ride the Joker. But yeah, we just got out for Joker, and Joker wasn't no joke. You like my joke? Yeah, it was some. It was. I don't know why we don't remember that ride being like that. But that was fun. It was a little bit of a wait to get on, but we're gonna take us a little break. The old man need a break.
Huh? Oh, man.
No, we're about to take a break, probably get something to drink. No. We ain't got to rush for nothing. It's only 3 o'clock. But yeah, we having a good old time. We ain't touching 2 big ones yet. We ain't got on the Titan and the Giant yet. Those are ones that make you go, ooh. Those are big ones. We don't really care for the Superman, so we won't get on that one. Right, honey?
Yeah.
No Superman and no Texas, no big swing.
Yeah, no big swing. Hopefully that shit ain't working.
But yeah. The sun is trying to come out a little bit. I'm trying to hit that body 2025. But yeah, we probably about to get us something to drink. Maybe you hungry now or no? No, I asked you. You said you want a corn dog, not me.
I'm good.
I kind of want some popcorn though, but I don't know if I want it right now. No, I don't. Where you going to get your drink at? Oh yeah.
Please buckle up the seatbelt and hold down on your red lock bar. I repeat, you may not buckle up the seatbelt, hold down on your very own red lock bar. Thank you.
We about to do the Big Daddy. We about to do the Texas Giant. Look at that face. It's a face of concern.
I'd rather drink out of mildew straw instead of get on that damn ride.
We was walking here, we was looking at it, we said, that's a big ass fucking roller coaster. But we love it. We go on it like 2-3 times every time. It's just that first time you gotta get through. All right, y'all, we're gonna do 2 more rides and then, or 1 more ride. If Mr. Freeze open by the time we leave, then we'll do that. But it's 5:27 and we about done by 6. We gotta go get our fat stuff now. Cotton candy, funnel cake, and popcorn, and cinnamon.
No, I'm good on the same thing. That's way over there.
Well, we'll do our fat stuff after this. So now we're about to go on Judge Roy screen.